Hello, gurus, and welcome to another episode. I've been saying congratulations every single morning for the last 1 month. If you've been following, if you've been part of Mcrt, booyah! We hit up 52% against Bitcoin last night. Huge volume. We hit $2 million volume. And everyone is contacting us. I will be on the BitBoy show on the 1st of September, me and him live, which is going to be epic. We have today will be announced the first of the exchanges. 7 of them have contacted us, and we are going to list. We've confirmed 6 of them, and these are the biggest exchanges in the world. Everyone's talking about Mcrt. Coin market cap with 5.5 million followers yesterday tweeted about Mcrt. It was 4th place. First place was BNB for community, which is unbelievable. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you information about Mcrt. Currently, Mcrt is still, it just passed 1 cent. Now we're at 0.0013. No, sorry, we took off 10 now, 0.013. So we're just over 1 cent. When we first launched the game, in first launch almost 1 year ago in November, we reached a 10 cent valuation, which was about 100 million without anything, with just the launch. Now we have the game. Yesterday, VCs were inside the testing of the game, the closed test. It was epic. They loved it. They were blown away. Hit the subscribe button. Join 77,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Join us on Mcrt. The Mcrt community, the Twitter is now more than 90,000 people. The Telegram is nearly 41 or 49,000 people inside the Telegram. They're all celebrating like crazy. I'm going to show you that as well. The links are all down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. In Mcrt, again leading the entire market. It's been doing that almost every day for the last 1 month. Look at that. It's leading the entire market. It's the only one massively in the positive. Mcrt is 0.013, so just over 1 cent. And look at that. It exactly came to where I said yesterday in the video. Now this is a moment of truth. This is a parabolic bull run that we're having on Mcrt for the last month. It's up now. Mcrt is up now from the bottom 765%. If you've been following me since I talked about it 1 month ago, Mcrt is up more than 765%, 755%. That's incredible. That's 7.5 times your money. If you 1 month ago when I said pay attention to Mcrt, if you put $10,000, you would have now 700. You would have 7.5. 10,000 would be 75,000. If you put 100,000, you have 750,000. If you put $1 million, you would have 7.5 million. And many people have made massive money off this, which is beautiful, but we're just getting started. My goal is to be the same market cap as Meta. Axie Infinity is our first goal in the play-to-earn space, but we are also going to VR with Mcrt. You're going to be a mage with VR and firing fireballs and versing the other players, PvP with. We want to take on Meta also in the metaverse, and they have a $500 billion market cap. We are just getting started. Play-to-earn technology is revolutionary. It allows you to make microtransactions. Computers can make microtransactions, and gamers can actually make large amounts of money inside the game. There's $300 billion a year industry gaming. It's watched more than movies and sports combined. Gaming is watched more. It's the most watched activity in the world. 3 billion people play games. So we are really in the beginnings of something very powerful. Let's jump into charts for Bitcoin. Again, big congratulations. We're at big resistance on Mcrt. Let's see. It's already broken through, actually. Look at this. It's already gone through, which is incredible. Let's go into Bitcoin, and then I'm going to show you more stuff. Bitcoin is having a little bit, it pulled back, but then a slight bounce. We're still in this downtrend on the hourly for Bitcoin. And it looks like it's still bullish. Let's go into on the daily, we're oversold now, which is good. It reset the daily. On the weekly, it's turning down. On the daily, we've oversold. On the 4 hourly, we're very oversold, turning to head up. We're still holding this trend line. This is Bitcoin's trend line as it's been climbing. So it's still holding. If it continues, and it's making higher lows, every time it's making actually a higher low and a higher high. So if Bitcoin continues here, we could be getting actually a very big movement from here on Bitcoin. The target would be the top of this channel that we're in right now. So this one. So if Bitcoin breaks up from here, it can be going to and break this red line. And we need to break that red line for really the big bull run to start. This is the big downtrend line that started on November the 11th on 2021 when I called the day of the top here. We need to break this red down trend line to go really bullish. So I would actually go very bullish here on Bitcoin, targeting the upper channel. So I would go long here on Bitcoin. I would take this long. That was from yesterday, the same exact long setup. It's at the same spot, risking $185 to make $3,709 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $37,000 of profits. That's the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. Now let's go into Mcrt. Mcrt is at 0.013, up 55% against Bitcoin and 55% against Ethereum yesterday, up 52% in USD terms. That's the equivalent of, if you followed this video, that's the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $40,000, or that's the equivalent of Ethereum going to $3,000. So amazing. And if you've been following from 1 month, that's the equivalent, that movement of that MCRT has had over the last 1 month is the equivalent of Bitcoin going to now, that's 7.5 times. So that would be the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $150,000 per Bitcoin. This movement that's happened so far on MCRT, which is just getting started, we're just over a cent, is the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $150,000 per Bitcoin. Or this 7.5 times movement, 750% movement is the equivalent of Ethereum going to $14,000 per Ethereum. So just keep that in mind when you're buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're still ranked 2,831. We're not ranked 1,000. We're not ranked in the top 100 yet. We're still ranked 2,800. We're on Ethereum, BNB, and Phantom, CertiK audited, $16.5 million market cap, $2.1 million of volume yesterday in 24 hours, up 190%. People are starting to really pay attention to Mcrt. We're getting contacted everywhere. And look at this chart, amazing. On PancakeSwap, 1 Ethereum right now, before 1 Ethereum gave you almost 580,000 MCRT. Now on PancakeSwap, you can just swap in seconds on PancakeSwap. 1 Ethereum on PancakeSwap now gives you 142,000 MCRT. 1 Ethereum still gives you 142,000 MCRT. And just a few days ago, 1 month ago, 1 Ethereum gave you 580,000 MCRT. And why I'm covering MCRT so much, it's because, again, what happened in the last month is the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $150,000. That's why I'm really talking. I told you to pay attention. You have to do your own due diligence. It's not financial advice, but pay attention to MCRT. It's equivalent of Bitcoin going 150,000. And MCRT is still at a $16 million market cap. Axie Infinity, the kids game right now, is at a $1.6 billion market cap. That's still 100 times from where we are. 100 times. That means $1,000 is $100,000. $10,000 is $1 million. We're still 100 times away from where the current Axie Infinity market cap is. And that's currently, Axie Infinity had a market cap of 9 billion. That's almost 1,000 times from where we are right now. And our game is much better. And right now, $100 worth of USDT gives you 7,675 MCRT. $1,000 of MCRT now gives you 1,000 USD gives you now 76,000 MCRT. 1 month ago, $1,000 gave you 580,000 MCRT. Now $1,000 gives you 76,000 MCRT. And people are not just buying MCRT, they're also staking it like crazy. The TVL now has 413 million MCRT staked inside the staking protocol. These are the durations and these are the staking periods. That's almost 40% of the circulating supply is now staked. Which is amazing. Look at the circulating supply, 1.2 billion, and right now there's 413 million of it staked. So almost 40% of it is staked, and it's just going crazy. And it's not just, look at this, inside our Telegram, people are celebrating like insane. This is just in the last few minutes, everyone. This is in the last few minutes. Everyone to buy MCRT, not at 0.0015 when I talked about it 1 month ago, but at $1, everyone will line up. This is inside the chat. This is just the last few minutes inside the chat. People are really celebrating like crazy here because it's just amazing. 750% is really a huge gain for a lot of people, and I'm getting a lot of thanks and a lot of love. Thank you all so much, because this is a big movement for a lot of people. This is just in the last few minutes, everyone. Look at the chats. There's 41,918 members in here, and they're all chatting. My goal is to beat the #1 play to earn game and hold the position into VR and Metaverse. MCRT versus Meta. Actually had a $9 billion market cap. Meta has a $500 billion market cap. That's our goal for the next 20 years. And it's just people are celebrating very amazingly inside the chat room. I'm so glad. Also, I want to people in disbelief. I want to show you something very cool. Let's see if there's just so much chat in here. We were listed yesterday on CoinMarketCap. It has 5.5. Okay, I'll show you on Twitter. On CoinMarketCap, we were listed yesterday. So this is the Magicraft Twitter. We now have 91,000 followers on Twitter. It's growing like crazy. This is the trailer of the game. This is the PC version. This is the mobile version. We were playing in-game. This is CoinMarketCap. It has a $5.5 million community. We were ranked 4th, top 5 communities on CoinMarketCap. BNB is 1st and Magicraft was 4th. BNB has a valuation of 60 billion. So that's incredible. Everyone, big congratulations. We were in the top 5 on CoinMarketCap. And people are Magicraft is just exploding. And this is some in-game footage from Magicraft. This is our team testing it and playing it. This is the equivalent of Magicraft versus Axie Infinity. It's 162 times. That's the equivalent movement. So big congratulations, all of you. Magicraft it's growing like crazy. We've been playing yesterday. Some of our VCs also played with us, and they were blown away inside the closed beta. We will be having a public beta, but you have to have either 1 million MCRT or an NFT Genesis collection to be part of the public beta. And today, the first of the exchanges of the 6 that have confirmed, of the 7 that we're in talks with, will start. If you've been following my plan and my ideas, it was to first show glimpses of Magicraft, start the influencers, crypto and gaming starting to speak and show Magicraft to the world. And that's already started. Many videos around the world, people are talking about Magicraft everywhere. The next was to have the closed beta with the in-house team, and then it's to start listing on exchanges, 1 per week. We have now got 6 exchanges lined up, 1 per week will be listing, and the final one on Christmas when we release the game the day before Christmas. That's the goal. The public beta for the people that hold 1 million MCRT or an NFT Genesis collection will be announced soon. The team is working on it, and I can't wait to show you the game. You'll be blown away as well. I played Counter-Strike, Diablo 2, Lineage 2, StarCraft, World of Warcraft, Command and Conquer. I played RuneScape. I've played every single game, and this game is built by us, and it's the best game. This game is meant to last 20 years and be the number 1. It's a brawler, MMORPG, PvP game, and we're making it like really, it's the best. Our team is amazing gamers, amazing crypto people, and our goal is to make a game, and we're playing it every day, and the team is so excited to play it. This is some gameplay footage from the team. This is what the team plays internally, testing the game. I'll show you another window. This is a window of MCRT, of Magicraft game, and I'll show you some in-game play footage. Whoa, there's so much chat. We're also coming second on Phantom Chain, which is amazing, and I'm going to show you some of the in-game play footage. So pay attention to it. This is the team playing Magicraft together. Okay, everyone ready? So this prize wins the most times out of 5 games.
Looks like Mcrt plays all night long.
All week long.
Alexi from Delft. How many players? And that's some of the in-game play footage. Big congratulations to all of you. I'll keep updating you. Pay attention. We're only getting started. And yeah, Magicraft just really a lot of people up 52%, 56% against Bitcoin, 56% Ethereum. And that's why I'm covering it so much, because the equivalent of 750% is again Bitcoin being $150,000 or Ethereum going to $14,000. That's why I pay attention to MCRT. If MCRT gets back to 10 cents, that's another almost 10 times, 100% from 1,000% from where we are right now. If MCRT goes to my goal of $10, that's you guys can calculate it. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Have a beautiful day. Love you all. Join us in the Telegram. Get your MCRT and your NFT ready for the beta, the closed beta testing. Love you all. My goal is financial abundance for all. I'll be on BitBoy on the 1st of September. BitBoy's show, subscribe to him. And today, the first of the 7 exchanges will be announcing. 6 are already confirmed. These are the biggest exchanges in the world. Everyone's contacting us about MCRT. It's very exciting. Thank you for watching. I'm glad everyone who's been here from the beginning. Congratulations to you all. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.